The latest edition of Dragon Ball Super just came out, and before I even consider touching this one, there is a specific moment at the end of this chapter that really plays into the idea and the origin story of Mirus, the guy who's training Goku Ultra Instinct, and that's what I want to focus on today. It is easily the most interesting thing to come out of this chapter this month, and all the ideas of him being an angel, one of the Grand Priest's sons, is 100% right, and to go even beyond that, the idea of him being Moro's ex-attendant as an angel, that idea strengthens too. So what happens is Mirus and Goku continue to train in their version of the hyperbolic time chamber. This time, Goku has around 6 months to master Ultra Instinct before Moro comes back to Earth. Now, kind of sidetracking a little bit, but it is an interesting point that I do think relates back to Mirus being an angel. Goku has just gotten done stuffing his face with all this hyperbolic time chamber food, and he looks at Mirus and he says, "I realized I've never seen you eat. Don't you ever get hungry?" Mirus says, "I can eat or not eat. It's all the same to me." The way Goku looks at him, he looks at him like, "I've heard that before. Whis said the same thing about himself." It's all starting to slowly click together in Goku's mind. He says to Mirus, "Well, if you don't eat and you know Ultra Instinct, maybe I won't eat either," Goku says. And they continue their training. It then switches to a crystal ball. Somebody is watching Mirus train Goku in Ultra Instinct, and that person is Whis. And just by this image here, he doesn't look happy about it. Originally, I thought this may have been because Goku was Whis' student and Whis doesn't like him training with other guys, but after seeing what happens next, I don't think that's the case. Whis is not on Beerus' planet. He is in the home of the Grand Priest. The Grand Priest eventually comes down to Whis and says, "Sorry to keep you waiting, Whis. How can I help you?" Whis bows down to him and says, "I presume that you're aware that once again our universe is in discord." The Grand Priest says, "Yes, I definitely do notice," and Whis is apologizing for this. He's saying, "I'm deeply ashamed that Universe 7 is just, it's still not really developing since the Tournament of Power. You put us up a rank, but we still have a lot of bad stuff going on." Now, the Grand Priest says to him, "Why are you telling me about this? I hope you don't intend to ask for your universe to be saved." And then Whis looks at him and says, "I would never. Angels must remain neutral, siding with neither good or evil." He goes on to say, "There is something I wish to confirm concerning our angel laws, and that is when they both bring up Mirus," which means both Whis and the Grand Priest are aware of Mirus, and just judging by the look on Whis' face in all of these panels, not once does he look calm. The normal Whis that we see hanging around Beerus is always happy and never looks like anything gets to him. But in these panels, for the first time, Whis is taking this 100% seriously. The idea of Mirus training Goku in Ultra Instinct seems to go against the angel law, which that is the first time ever hearing about that, and it may not even be that Mirus is training Goku in Ultra Instinct, it's the fact that Mirus cannot show his full power as an angel. Universe 7, for who knows how long, has had 2 angels. Who knows how long Mirus has been in Universe 7, but with Whis and Mirus in the same universe together, it means that Universe 7 has had another angel going secretly undercover all this time. That's probably why Whis is so annoyed. He sees this and this look on his face, he does not look happy, and for the first time, I'm so glad Toyotaro has done this, Whis is a little bit pissed off because Mirus has taken his territory in Universe 7. Now, a lot more stuff happened in this chapter and I'll get to it eventually, but this little segment here could lead to something huge. Imagine, they say that angels aren't allowed to fight, they're supposed to remain neutral. That's why we've never seen Whis go 100%, but imagine an angel going against another angel. The way the story is going, Mirus may not be stronger than Whis, but is definitely a better teacher because it looks like Goku's able to learn more about Ultra Instincting and push himself more when he has Mirus as a teacher, and the look on Whis' face, that tells you everything about his reaction. I guess the question now is, what is the Grand Priest going to do about this? Because essentially what Whis has done is he's seen this and he's gone to tell his dad about it, the Grand Priest, and now it's all up to him how he handles it. So the story of Dragon Ball Super remains very interesting. Let me know what you think. All this time, there has been another angel secretly in the shadows of Universe 7. No one even knew. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next Dragon Ball video.